If you are looking for an AI-powered web scraping tool that can extract clean data from websites without spending hours building custom scrapers, you have probably come across Firecrawl AI. But is it actually worth using in 2026? Let's find out. What is Firecrawl AI? Firecrawl AI is a web scraping and crawling platform built specifically for AI applications, and instead of simply downloading HTML, it extracts clean, structured content from websites, making it ideal for AI agents, chatbots, retrieval augmented generation, RAG, and large language model workflows. It can crawl entire websites, convert pages into AI-friendly Markdown or structured JSON, and handle dynamic websites that rely on JavaScript. Key features: some of Firecrawl's biggest features include crawl an entire website with a single API call, extract clean Markdown or structured JSON instead of messy HTML, JavaScript rendering for modern websites, smart crawling with sitemap and link discovery, API first design that's easy to integrate into AI applications, open source version available for developers who want full control. Pros: Firecrawl stands out because it's extremely easy to use. The extracted data is clean and ready for AI models, saving developers a lot of processing and pre-processing time. It also supports large-scale crawling, works well with modern websites, and integrates with popular AI frameworks, making it a great choice for building AI-powered products. Cons: the platform is mainly designed for developers, so non-technical users may face a learning curve. Large-scale crawling can also become expensive depending on your usage, and some advanced features require paid plans. Pricing: Firecrawl offers a free tier for testing and small projects. Paid plans increase API limits, crawling capacity, and access to additional features, making them better suited for production workloads and enterprise use. Who should use Firecrawl? Firecrawl is ideal for AI developers, startups, data engineers, and anyone building AI agents, search systems, or RAG applications that need high quality web data. If you only need occasional website scraping or simple data extraction, a traditional scraper may be a more affordable option. Final verdict: so is Firecrawl AI the best AI web scraping tool in 2026? For AI focused web scraping, it's definitely one of the strongest options available. Its clean data extraction, fast crawling, and AI first design make it an excellent choice for developers building modern AI applications. However, if you are looking for a simple no code scrapper for basic tasks, you may find other tools easier to use. Overall, Firecrawl AI earns a strong 9 out of 10. It's fast, reliable, developer friendly, and one of the best solutions for powering AI workflows with web data. If you found this review helpful, do not forget to like the video and subscribe for more AI tool reviews. Thanks for watching.